This is the crystal shop. I've had to come back, but we can do the windows outside. But in the meantime, let's start with the crystals inside. There's all different colors, and for decorating the house. And you can get some as if you're interested in any of this, just drop a question and you tell me exactly which one you're interested in. And I'm sure this guy, I can handle the exportation for you. I can export the goods for you to you. Different types of crystals, really. These ones have got some kind of engraving inside. Sort of. Tables as well and everything. Just to be sure not to drop anything at all. Anything. And let's take a look. It's something you can get as a souvenir. I'll handle the exporting for you, and I'll send it over to you to any country really that you're in. And if you need any information, just or any questions, I can come back to the shop for you. Like I said, I had to come back to this crystal shop, and I think it's some good monuments and some good souvenirs, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, I thought I was filming, so you would have missed some other areas that I've been and some other things. So this is browsing outside. I can say this is window viewing, but this item is about 325 kilograms. If you got any questions or any prizes, these are items that you can get over here. Like I said, China seems to amuse one. Whenever you come here, you just don't expect to know exactly where you're going to until you get there, because you'll be amused. You will see something new, and you will see something that you're going to like. And like we said, this is the Russian flower shop. You get a lot of plants. We can go back in there. One thing about China, I can say, you don't have a yard. You just live apartment living, unless in people who live in small cities or villages. Those are the people who can do outdoor planting. But ideally, all these are for indoor plants. These are indoor plants.